Namaste bachcho. Today we'll learn a new chapter, chapter number 13, and the name of the chapter is Ghamandi Hathi. So here Ghamandi means proudy and Hathi means elephant. So it's a story about an elephant that lived in Sundarban forest. So have you heard about Sundarban forest? Sundarban forest is one of the largest forests in the world, and it is located in the delta regions of the Ganges, Brahmaputra and Meghna rivers in Bay of Bengal. These forests are mostly covered with mangrove trees, which are also known as Sundari trees, and these forests are located in West Bengal in India. So this is a story about an elephant that lived in Sundarban forest. So he was very proudy and he thought that he was the strongest animal king in the forest. And all the animals made him believe so. For example, fox, bear, lion. So all these animals made him believe that he was the strongest animal in the forest. But one day an ant made him understand that shape or size doesn't matter. Whether the animal is big or small, everyone has different specialities. So ant made him understand his mistake. First, we'll do the Kathin Shabd, that means difficult words. So here you can see the first one, Ghamand. Ghamand means proud. Next one, Bechara. Bechara means poor. Dher means pile. That means lying one on top of another. Next word is Soond. Soond means trunk. Jhatpat, quickly. And the last one is Hairani, means surprisingly. Now let's read this chapter. So the first one, सुंदर वन में रहता था एक हाथी, पानी में देखी उसने अपनी परछाई, मन में उसके घमंड बड़ा, उसे लगा वह बलवान बड़ा. Now let's understand the meaning of few words here. Here Sundarvan is the name of the forest. Rehta tha means lived. Ik hathi means an elephant, that means one elephant. Pani means water. Dekhi means saw. Parchai means shadow. So the meaning of this line is, in Sundarvan forest lived an elephant, and one day he saw his shadow in the water. The third line, मन में उसके घमंड बड़ा, उसे लगा वह बलवान बड़ा. So here man means mind, घमंड means proud, बड़ा means increased. Fourth line, उसे लगा वह बलवान बड़ा. So here बलवान means strong and बड़ा means big. So the meaning of these two lines are, and he became very proud of himself due to his huge size. And he also felt that he was very strong. Next line, राह में मिली एक लोमड़ी, डरा धमका कर बोला तू भाग जा, फिर मिला एक भालू बेचारा, बोला हाथी तू जंगल का राजा. Here also let's understand the meaning of few words. First one, राह में मिली एक लोमड़ी, डरा धमका कर बोला तू भाग जा. So here राह means on his way. Mili means met. Ek lomdi means a fox. So the meaning of these two lines are, on his way the elephant met a fox and he frightened and threatened the fox by saying, you run away. Next line, फिर मिला एक भालू बेचारा, बोला हाथी तू जंगल का राजा. So here फिर means then, bhalu bear, and ik word means one. Bechara means poor. The meaning of these two lines are, then he met a poor bear and the bear said, elephant, you are the king of the jungle. Next one, आगे बढ़ा तो मिला एक शेर, उससे लड़कर किया उसे ढेर, हाथी के मन में एक विचार जागा, वह जंगल का ताकतवर राजा, इतने में एक चींटी आई, हाथी की सूंड में झटपट समाई. So here आगे बढ़ा means he moved forward. आगे बढ़ा तो मिला एक शेर, उससे लड़कर किया उसे ढेर. So लड़कर means he fought with the lion. The meaning of these two lines are, when the elephant moved forward, he met a lion and he fought with the lion and piled over him. That means he laid on him. हाथी के मन में एक विचार जागा, वह जंगल का ताकतवर राजा. So here एक विचार means one thought. ताकतवर राजा means the strongest king. So the meaning is, the elephant started to think that he was the strongest king of the jungle. इतने में एक चींटी आई, हाथी की सूंड में झटपट समाई. So इतने में means at this point. एक चींटी आई. Here इतने में means at this point. एक चींटी means an ant. हाथी की सूंड. Here सूंड means trunk and झटपट means immediately. So the meaning is, at this point an ant came and immediately got into the elephant's trunk. Next line. हाथी को हुई बड़ी परेशानी, समझा गलती हुई हैरानी, आकार से कोई नहीं छोटा बड़ा होता, सबकी होती अलग अलग विशेषता. So here हाथी को हुई बड़ी परेशानी. परेशानी means trouble. समझा गलती हुई हैरानी. हैरानी means surprisingly. So the meaning is, now the elephant was in very big trouble as the ant got into his trunk, and he was surprised and also he understood his mistake. So now let's see what was his mistake. Let's see what was his mistake. The last two lines. आकार से कोई नहीं छोटा बड़ा होता, सबकी होती अलग अलग विशेषता. So here आकार means size. छोटा बड़ा means small, big. सबकी होती अलग अलग विशेषता. So here अलग अलग means different and विशेषता means speciality. So the meaning is, now the elephant understood that according to the size, no one is big or small. Everyone has different specialities. So this was a story of a proudy elephant, and he understood his mistake and he felt that no one is big or small according to the size, because everyone has different specialities. Now let's move on to the next part, that is Shabdarth, word meanings. So here the first one is ik. Ik means one, परछाई shadow, विशेषता speciality, लोमड़ी fox, भालू bear, बलवान strong, परेशानी trouble, चींटी ant, आकार means size. Next we have पर्यायवाची शब्द. So the first one is ik. Ik means one, पर्यायवाची शब्द एक. खुद means myself, पर्यायवाची शब्द स्वयं. जंगल forest, पर्यायवाची शब्द one. लड़ना means to fight, पर्यायवाची शब्द झगड़ना. The last one is ठीक. ठीक means correct or right, पर्यायवाची शब्द सही. Next we have विलोम शब्द. So here the first one is Raja. Raja means king. The opposite is Rank. Rank means poor or beggar. Next one, Aage. Aage means front. Opposite is Piche. That means back. Next word is Balwan. Balwan means strong. Vilom shabd is Balheen. That means weak. Next word is Bada. That means big. Opposite one is Chota, means small. Jaldi means fast. Der means late. Last word, Galat means wrong. Opposite word is Sahi, that means right. So this was the Vilom Shabd. Now you have to write the Kathin Shabd, Shabdarth, Paryavachi Shabd and Vilom Shabd in your notebook with proper date and chapter number. Now here you can see an activity. You have to read the first 8 lines of this chapter, record it and submit in Microsoft Teams. आज के लिए बस इतना ही. अब हम अगली क्लास में मिलेंगे. धन्यवाद.